Now, I was told in the last class, helix angle of a drill. Helix angle of a drill. A drill. So, helix angle of a drill. This is a helix angle. The drill after making a twist. So, see if this length of the drill is example 75 mm. How much twist we have to make? One round, two rounds, three rounds means if you increase the number of rounds, the helix angle will have low angle. If one round only if you rotate, it will have more angle, helix angle. Okay. So depend of the angle. So the flute, this helix angle, what is there? How much angle it has to be? If it is example 18, this angle 18 to 30, 18 to 30 degrees 30 degrees. So it can be a standard helix. Okay, standard helix means if you go and buy any drill bit from the market, if you buy the drill will have 18 to 30 degrees angle. Means this also depend upon the strength, what material we are drilling it. So this angle is not the same for all the drills. It varies from different angles. These different angles are selected to drill the material according to the what material they are drilling. Example, a standard drill helix, which is having 18 to 30 degrees, this helix angle, used to drill on mild steel, and in the cast iron. Okay, and the cast iron metal. The standard helix angle is 18 to 30 degrees. It is used for drilling mild steel and cast iron. Now, slow helix, which is having angle is 10 to 13 degrees now. 13 degrees. Okay. This slow helix angle means the cutting chips also will come out slowly. Slow helix angle used for gunmetal, bronze. These are the alloy metals. Okay. This MS and cast iron also is alloy. This is the ferrous, Fe, ferrous metals. This gunmetal and bronze are. This is ferrous metals are called. These are called non-ferrous metal. Non-ferrous, Fe. These non-ferrous alloy metals are gunmetal, bronze. Okay. This is not a single element, compound element, which is having little brittle, and sometimes according to alloy element how much mix the percentage, the brittleness and softness depends. Okay. For this gunmetal and bronze, we are using slow helix angle, that is 10 degrees to 13 degrees. It is used for drill, gunmetal and bronze metals and alloy metals. Now quick helix. This one will have 35 degrees to 40 degrees. Okay. This one will have 35 degrees to 45 degrees helix angle, which is used on the soft metals such as copper, soft metals, aluminum, gold, silver, soft metals they use to remove that one will have 35 to 40 degrees. This is a quick means it will having very quick to remove the material outside. That's why helix angle is 35 to 40 degrees. Drill angles. Okay. Now this drill angle from here to here including angle. Last class I told this one is having 118 degrees. 118 degrees. And not only helix angles used for the different metal, different helix angle, the cutting angle of the lips, including angle, also will change. Okay. For general purpose, we are using 118 degrees. 118 degrees. This lip angle, including angle. Okay. Now, if you want to use on the hard metals, if the angle is same angle, the cutting efficiency will be more and there will be more friction between the workpiece and the tool will not cut the material. Due to the more friction, it will get heat and it will become red out and it will become soft and it will lose the cutting edge. For different materials, we are using different angles. We will grind this angle, different angle will grind. For soft metal, hard metal, like that. Now, this rake angle and helix angle, this is helix angle, rake angle. Here the cutting edge also, we are different shape, different angles we are grinding. Okay, while grinding the different angle, we are using for different material. When you are drilling with this drill bit for a different material, example, if you want to drill aluminium, okay. Now the diameter of a drill seven 21 mm. Okay, 21 mm. Okay. If a drill start from here and take complete round to find out the circumference of the circle, we are using pi d. For one round, how much length it is there? Okay, pi d, that is 22 by 7 into 21. That is 66 mm. The circumference of this diameter is 66 mm. Okay. So if this one drill go one round on the drilling machine, it will go 66 mm. Okay. Now for cutting this aluminium, the drill should go for minute 70 meters. Example, 70 meters. It has to go 70 meters. Then only the aluminium will get cut efficiently. So this drill with machine, it is running, number of rounds it will make. For 1 minute it will make 2200 rounds also sometimes. 1500 rounds also. Depends upon the speed what we select on the drilling machine. We select different speeds. The different speeds are selected for purpose of different material. When we are using the different speed we need. So the drill should travel to drill aluminum 70 mm. So to find out to travel this drill for 70 meters in a minute, how many rounds it has to take. So we have the formula that is speed velocity is equal to pi dn by 1000. Now pi is 66, pi d is 66, n is we don't know by 1000. Pi dn by 1000. Pi diameter, number of rounds. We don't know number of rounds. Okay, that is equal to how much? 70 meters. That is 70 meters convert to mm is equal to centimeters. and this is mm. Okay. So to convert it to a meter, what we will do? 70. Cutting speed calculation. Cutting speed is equal to pi dn by 1000. RPM is equal to velocity into 1000 by d into pi. So we have data ikkada number of rounds is equal to RPM, velocity is cutting speed, d is equal to diameter of a drill, pi is equal to 3.142. Now velocity for mild steel velocity is equal to 30 meters. Okay, this is 30 meters. Pi is equal to 3.142. Diameter of a drill is equal to 21 mm. 21 mm. Number of rounds we don't know. Divided by 1000. That is equal to pi d n by 1000. That is equal to 30 meters. After dividing this one, we got the RPM 455 RPM, rounds per minute. The drill spindle has to rotate 455 RPM. If you go and check on the drill machine, 455 RPM, if this speed is not there, example 470 or 440 if it is there, anyone we can use. Or means little plus or minus, approximate. It should not be excess but a little bit. So nearby number we have to select. That drilling machine will have what will have is stepped cone pulley. When you change the belt and the different pulleys opposite direction, stepped cone pulley is there. Here, motor side is one pulley is there, sleeve side one pulley is there. When you change in the different either middle, you will get example 500 RPM. This one you will get 750 RPM. This one you will get 250 RPM. So what we have got 455. So 455 means we don't have 450 RPM, we have 500. If it is 440 comes also, this for this RPM, the different machines have different speeds. So now we will select the belt in the middle pulley, which will rotate the spindle to 500 RPM. This 500 RPM can be selected for drilling the 21 mm drill dia. For 21 mm drill dia, to drill mild steel, we have to select 455 RPM, but available is 500. We are using 500 speed for cutting the MS.